to Product Focus Friday, the first Friday of February. We drew Pink Paislee, and we also drew tools for this month. So our first tool is the sketch pen, and I said I will try it out. So first thing I want to show you is I decided I wanted to do some scrap lifts this month, and because I have like a whole long list of them that I save on Instagram, ones I want to scrap lift, and I'm going to play with some Follow Sketch February with Sandy from State Goddess. So Scrapping Reflections, her Facebook group will be linked down below, as well as Sandy's YouTube channel, where she is the queen of Follow Sketch February. She just does a sketch every day in February, and then she also does Follow Sketch Friday, so it continues on throughout the year every Friday. I have this photo of me getting, after I got ready for my cousin's wedding back in 2015, and I'm going to do this layout by Nikki Rowland. We're going to scrap lift that, so I'm going to try and do the sketching of that frame. So let me go to my silhouette, and I'll be back, and we'll get started. Hey guys. Okay, so once again, though, I don't know if anybody saw the post. I posted on the community that this was going to go up late, so here's my Product Focus Friday going up late. It's just been one of those weeks. I was so ahead on my projects, and then, you know, work kind of sucks the life out of me, honestly. Yeah, so I have already gone ahead. So my sketch pen worked. Awesome. I picked one that worked. I thought it was like a deep purple. It kind of looks like it. It might actually be a brown, but it actually kind of looks like a really dark gray. So I'm going with it. I like it. This is a Floral Frame from Confessions of a Paper Addict. I will have it linked down below. All I did was I took it. I'm going to slide these off. I just like the way I've arranged them. So I took it and I sketched it. But first what I did, because, you know, cut files, if you would just use a sketch pen to draw a cut file, it's just going to show you an outline. And I thought that it would just not look as like weighted as I wanted it to do. I wanted it to be more solid. So I did some internal offsets. I did a couple of them, and so it created other lines. So that way there's extra lines in there, giving it a little more weight. And so it doesn't just look like I drew or traced the outline of something. It just gives it a little more weight. So what I have done, and I went and I shaped it and sized it to a size that I thought I would like based on my photo size. And my photo might get trimmed down still yet. So the inside is about, and these frames that are drawn are kind of wonky, but they're about 6 by 6 1/4, or was it 6 3/4 by 6, which I thought was, I'm like, okay, that's not a perfect square, so how am I gonna do this? Because on Nikki Rowland's layout, what she did is she took a bunch of triangles and layered them up, and I'm assuming she took squares, cut them in half. So that's what I've been doing off camera. I took a bunch of the papers from this Pink Paislee kit that we're using this month. We were able to successfully use the sketch pens. Excellent. So this Pink Paislee Citrus Bliss, the other two papers I kind of cut up a little bit into some squares and then triangles. I just did a 6-inch, a 5.5, and a 5. Just to layer some up. I didn't want to bring in any of this orange, but I'm debating on creating making one of these pocket cards as a tag, because there is a tag in her layout. I should have that up in the corner so you can see it. So mine's going to be kind of flipped just because my photo's facing in. So I made sure this like more spread out floral cluster was kind of over here in the corner. I guess I could have done this. That's what's nice about this frame, is there were a few different floral clusters, so I could have put them however I wanted. But I'm going to do over here. And so I'll have the photo up here. So I'm trying to figure out just my placement of my triangles, and I really like the way this is. So I think I'm going to distress them and glue them down. So I'm going to get out my distress tool. I'm going to distress the edges, get these glued down. I have pulled out, and then I'll come back and we'll play with maybe putting my photo behind this frame. I've got some other little chipboard things we can pop in there. These photo corners we can actually use too, because they're also triangles, which kind of goes. And then I did grab this tag from my How to Kill a Kit with Style from January. It was left over. Pink Paislee also, though, which ironically, and it was 5th in Monaco, so I grabbed this tag. And then I went through my stash, what I had of all loose florals, to see what florals would kind of go with this collection. And actually, these Keeping It Real is the closest to that yellow. But I also have these purple and blue left over from Prima that we could use, and I thought I had another. Oh yeah, and then there's some. I think there's some florals in here too that are might go too, that are Simple Stories from one of their vintage summery collections. So we'll see. I'll dig those out as well. So I grabbed those. I have no idea what I'm doing for a title. Oh yeah, and then these Simple Stories Spring Farmhouse. But yeah, so let me get those distressed and glued down, and then I'll trim my photo down, and we'll see if we want to use the frame, and then we can start layering up some things and figure out a title and figuring out if we want to use one of these as a tag instead. So, be right back. All right, so I got all those glued down. I'm just going to open this up. I haven't glued this one down because I want to kind of position it in a good spot. Do I want to take off my head or do I want to leave it? I think you need to see the whole thing. So, not that. So let's mat this. I kind of want to mat it on the dark gray cardstock and then the white. Yeah. Since I have another piece. I'm going to use this whole kit up in the first layout. I'm supposed to try and stretch it. I have a feeling we're going to have to... And I'm going to try to either... follow a sketch February with each of these Product Focus Fridays because Sandy is doing that, or scrap lift, because I've saved so many scrap lifts on Instagram of people that I really need to just do them. So I think I'll be doing that for most of these layouts this month. I don't know why I just put that away, because now I gotta mat it on the... I kind of want some of those words to be... There we go. I am saving those cutoffs. I'm not sure why. Like, there's not much. This, obviously, I don't save that. No. Probably won't save that either. Okay. Just to leave it more neutral. Yeah, see, my photo is just so much bigger than Nikki's. Hers was small. So I'm gonna do more on this corner. I think I'm gonna leave a gap here because I can put florals and stuff in there, and I have the tag I gotta put in. So, right, is that kind of how she did it? Oh, she had a bigger tag. That's why I wonder if these cut apart cards would be better. Like this one or something. Make that into a tag. Or even add a little more pink and like do this one or this one. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that. So we're nixing the frame, nixing the tag. And she has hers, like, it's ribbon, it looks like, and she tied it, which is super cute. I'm not doing that, but it's adorable. What do you think? Should we just do a pale pink? But this is all purples and greens. But should we do pink just to add a little bit of pink in there? Probably. Yeah, I think we'll do this. Or do we do... Or do I do this one? I think I might want to do that one. Hi, Pinky. What? I don't normally just cut them out like this, but we'll do it for the sake of this one at this time. Like butter. It's like, and then I better check to make sure there's nothing on here that I want as a title. I don't think so. If there is, like, it's not anything on there that I want. Okay. And then I think I just want bigger tag. I only one size hole punch. I plan on changing that soon. Get me a crocodile. I don't know when, but I want to. I have it in my cart. Okay, I'm gonna glue this down really fast. All right, let me glue these things down and kind of get situated here, and then and pick out some flowers and start plunking, and then I'll come back, okay? All right, okay. So I glued this down. I popped the tag and the photo up on foam. I went and grabbed, it was actually a How to Kill a Kit I did November or October, I think. But it had some of this old ephemera. I can't remember. It was like You're a Gem. I think it was Photoplay. And then I had a bunch of these florals and butterflies from Simple Stories collection. So yeah, I was just tucking some of those in. I don't know if I want to go white. I could do some of these blue ones. Just do some on the bottom maybe. I don't even know. I think the way I have it right now is actually pretty good. Because I like that it's just a little pop of it. It's not a ton. I don't think I need to add any more butterflies. I got a pink one there and a turquoise one there. I've just got a little bit of florals poking out. I want to add some of these chipboard pieces and maybe some of these enamel dots. I haven't decided. But I was going to put this XOXO over here because they did have words over on their side of theirs. Or Nikki's, she had words over there, and just beautiful dreamer. I'm not gonna, I could journal right here, and I might a little bit. This was just us getting ready, or me after I got ready for my cousin's wedding. So we'll go with that. And then there's a chipboard butterfly, so we'll add her on. Tuck her in right there. Just tuck in some yellow pieces, I think. This one's going to say sunshine right there. must be birds out. The cat is doing those fun. Just gonna add this delightful, so it says beautiful dreamer and delightful. I tucked a little purple coffee right there because I don't know when else I'm gonna use it. We're gonna do bloom and grow. I don't know if I'll even use these. Yeah, which is good because then I can save them for. And I think I'm gonna put these ephemera pieces in with my kit, or this collection, just because the colors are very similar. And then I can maybe use some more on one of the other layouts this week, or this month. But I think I've wrapped it up. So I can journal a little bit here, which I might do. I'm glad I've got some more pops of pink in there. I kind of like that. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good scrap lift. I don't have as much stuff as Nikki did on her layout, like for florals and things and trees and whatever, but I really like the effect, and I like a little more minimalistic look to it. So I've got all these florals, go somewhere. All right, so I think I'll journal just a tiny bit right here, and other than that, I think we're gonna call it done. I might actually, let's see, do we have, I've got these 3 enamel dots that are kind of in the same color. So we're just gonna put like one right here, and one right here, and one right here. That way I've got a little cluster of 3 up there. I've got a few things there, a few things there. And if I wanted to, I could add some pink, but I think we'll just leave it at that. Yeah. All right. There you have it, you guys. There'll be some close-ups. Oh, yeah, before I forget. So I will have you tag the winner. The winner of my hop drawing is, where's her name? Stephanie Oberer. So I commented on the video, and I commented on her comment telling her she was a winner. Stephanie, you are the winner. I also am going to draw. I drew a second because Adam from Daddy About Flair is amazing, and he gave me a gift certificate or a code to use at his shop also for my giveaway. So Stephanie Oberer, you're gonna win the goodie box of all my stuff, and then the second winner, let me find it because I had found it once and already lost it. Oh, Julie Tate. Julie Tate, you also won, so you're going to win the gift certificate or the gift code from Daddy About Flair. So make sure you can comment below here. I will, if you comment below, I'll tag you in this video. If you comment below, I will send you my email, and then you just need to send me your address so I can, you email me, and then I will get you the code for Daddy About Flair, Julie. But Stephanie, you need to email me so I can get your address so I can send you your amazing box of goodies, which is just, it's a ton of stuff I got for my Black Friday hauls and some other fun things. Yeah, there's tons of stuff in there. It's a box that's probably as wide as a 12 by 12, and it's probably about 9. It's like a 9 by 12 box. So make sure you find me. If neither of you comment, I'll give you till like early next week, probably Monday. If neither of you comment by Monday to let me know, I will have to pick more people. So make sure you comment, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's some close-ups, and I appreciate you all. Bye.